Ayan. As expected, sis. Gosh, eto kasi talaga yung shade ng mga palaban eh, 'di ba? Oh, sa ating cheeks. Oh. Oh. Best. Now, let us proceed to their other product, which is yung kanilang Blurmattes. Ayan, look at that. It's really cute. Kalagay dito na, hey dear, shake me before use. Ayan, so i-shake muna natin sila bago natin gamitin. And as well as yung kanilang Deartints is meron din ganitong nakalagay, but nakalimutan natin basahin kanina. So, ayan, yung packaging nila is merong girl, another girl. Ayan, girls. Magkakaiba sila ng outfit, magkakaiba ng kulay ng hair. You have the names of the shade in front talaga. And makikita mo naman yung shade dito sa bottom part. Ayan, yung kulay niya. And then dito din sa kanilang top part, ayan, may nakalagay din na yung parang guide kung ano yung kulay ng shade. So, of all their products, itong Blurmatte yung pinakamaraming shades. Ayan, according to their shade range. Ayan, sobrang dami, from their red to pink to mauve to nude, brown, and orange. And meron din silang deep terracotta, which is really nice. So that's really a good shade range. Ayan. So kapag ganito kadami yung shade range, expected na merong mga products dito that are for morena, for mga mapuputi, for mga mestiza, and it's really nice because everyone can avail the product and choose from this variety of shades, which is thumbs up for Dear Self Beauty. So, itong kanilang mga Blurmatte is retailed for 229 pesos sa kanilang Shopee. For 229 pesos, you get 4.5 ml of their product, which is this. Okay, so compared sa ibang products nila, this one has more claims. So, it's swatch time. So, unahin natin i-swatch si Bella. So, i-swatch natin si Bella sa ating kamay. Okay, so ito yung applicator niya. Very cute. The usual applicator, and then let's swipe it. Oh, let's try it sa ating lips. Let's wait na mag-sit siya ng konti bago tayo magsalita. So, ang next naman na isi-swatch natin is itong Blurmatte in the shade Renee. So, ito naman yung deep red na may pagka-brownish na undertone. Ayan, same applicator. And one thing I like about their applicator is that wala siyang stopper. So, it has a less tendency na mag-stock up yung product and masayang lang siya. So, ayan, medyo nakaka-intimidate yung kulay because it's like, it's so powerful. So, i-swatch na natin siya. Oh. As expected, sis. Gosh, eto kasi talaga yung shade ng mga palaban eh, 'di ba? Lakas maka-empowered woman yung kanilang shade na Renee. Ayan, deep red with brown undertone. Ay, nakalimutan kong i-swatch sa kamay. Wait, i-swatch natin si Renee. Pahabol na swatch. Oh, look at the pigment, sis. You cannot the red pigment. Let's read yung mga claims nila and let's try to see kung tumutugma ba yung claims nila sa kanilang mismong product. So first is lightweight. Yes, super lightweight because right now para kung walang suot sa lips, hindi katulad ng ibang mga lip products na medyo mabigat siya sa lips or medyo greasy yung feeling. This one doesn't have that. Long-lasting. Tayo makakapag-wear test eh kasi nga like I said, it's not up to later naman tayo mag-shoot ng video, so I cannot test the longevity of the product right now. It hides lips imperfection. Yan. So as you can see, the fact that it has a blurring effect which makes it easier for you to conceal yung mga imperfections ng lips mo. So, as you can see, tinakpan niyo yung pagiging dry ng lips ko. I will agree with this one. Kasi super chop ng lips ko, but when I use the blur mattes, medyo na-blur ng konti yung pagka-chop ng lips ko. Next is pigmented. No questions with the pigment. Talagang super pigmented. As you can see from the swatch pa lang. Blendable. Let's try to see if it's blendable Dito sa kamay natin is a swatch. Ayan, let's try to see if it's really blendable. So, ayan, naglagay ako ng konting product ng kanilang and i-blend natin. Oh. Ooh. For the blendability, I think blendable siya, pero dapat pagkalagay na pagkalagay, i-blend mo kagad before siya mag-set sa skin. Kasi kapag nagsiset siya sa skin, ganito yung mangyayari, yung parang magkakaroon siya ng markings ng product, which is, ayaw naman nating mangyari. So, sa claim na to, ako pinaka-intriga because it says here that their product is transfer-proof 1 set. So, kapag ka-transfer-proof, ibig sabihin, hindi nagka-transfer. Kapag ka na-set na, wait lang tayo ng konti until mag-set tong sa lips ko. Let's try to see if it's really transfer-proof. Naintriga ko dun Ang dami kasing mga products ngayon sa market na nagsasabing transfer-proof, but hindi naman sila talaga transfer-proof. So, let's try to see if you are one of those product, Dear Self Beauty. Alam mo, kanina pa ako nagsushoot, hindi ko pala nasuot tong lapel ko. Ayan. Ayaw ko nang umulit. Bahala na yun. Kakapagod na. So, ayan, I think nag-set naman itong Blur Matte in the shade Renee sa lips natin. So, let's see if it's really transfer-proof or not. Okay, so saan ba natin i-transfer? Kikis ko na lang Okay. 1, 2, 3, go. Bes. Hindi siya totally transfer proof. May mga nag-transfer naman ng konti, pero sobrang konti lang sis. Parang hindi nga nakikita sa camera. Hello. Sa claim nila na they are transfer proof, siguro 90% transfer proof kasi meron pa din namang pigment na dumikit. But I think siguro kung pinaset pa natin siya talaga, like later pa talaga natin siya ita-transfer test or anong tawag mo doon, baka talagang transfer proof talaga siya. So for the transfer proof na claim, I will agree with that. So another claim here is that same lang din with no other products nila. It says that it is nourished with vitamin E and argan oil. I do not have any problem with that kasi nasa ingredients naman siya. And then multi-stain for your lips, cheeks, and eyelids. So yeah, I will agree with that as well because from the consistency pa lang ng product, you know that it's really ideal for multi-usage. Pwede siya talaga sa lips, cheeks, and sa ating lids. So yeah, so far this is my favorite among their products. Oh my god, I got so excited. Sayang na dalawa lang yung meron tayo kasi 16 yung shades nila. But then again, kahit dalawa yung na-try natin sa shades nila or dalawa lang yung na-try natin sa mga blur mattes nila, I'm already convinced that this is really a good investment, especially if you're looking for multi-use na mga products. This one is really nice dahil aside sa super slim niya, though matangkad siya, it's really slim And then yung product is super pigmented, super blendable, super buildable, and transfer proof pa siya, which makes it really, really ideal for on-the-go women like us. One thing I also like about this one is that the packaging is really, really cute. Okay, hindi ko ma-explain ng maayos, but etong white, etong sticker kasi siya, but hindi siya yung normal na sticker na natatanggal ko, gaya ng ibang lip tints. So ito kasi is super kapal nung sticker niya. Ayan, ang hirap-hirap tanggalin. And then, ang kapal niya, in a way na parang siyang yung cover sa clear book. Ayan, ito sa kanilang Blur Matte, sa kanilang Deartint, and itong cover din sa kanilang clay blush. And even sa itong isang product nila na i-review natin later, talagang super nice nung quality yung packaging. Sayang na wala tayo ng clay brow nila, pero I think that's really something na pag-iipunan ko. Well, anyways, let us proceed to their latest products. Yes, naglabas po ng new product ang Dear Self Beauty, which is itong kanilang Gleamcream. Ayan, oh my gosh. Eto, one thing I like about the packaging is that, look at that. there's a woman, or this looks like a goddess, and then nandito yung shade name niya. This one is Iris, and this one is Naomi, which is one of their best sellers talaga. So they have 4 shades pala of their Gleam cream kasi wala silang ganito na sinali, walang shade guide. Pero based on my research, they have 4 shades of their Gleam creams. And then meron pa ding nakalagay dito na like dun sa clay blush nila, like this one, may nakalagay na you have to first, wait, basahin ko na lang. Hi dear, our Gleam cream coated with vitamin E oil on the first layer. So you just have to swipe your finger around motion to take out that layer and get the pigment and texture that you want. Okay, so meron silang ano dito, yung parang instruction in case na parang ma-shock ka na medyo oily yung product tapos parang walang pigment. Okay, so they have it here. And then yung kanilang packaging is glittery siya, though hindi siya nakikita sa camera, but this is actually very glittery. Ayan, so nagtitwinkle-twinkle siya, kaya lang hindi makita sa camera. Sayang. Paano ko ba to gagawin? Basta super ano siya, parang nagsha-shine siya. Ayan, di lang makita sa camera. But then again, you also have here sa likod is yung claims, yung ingredients. 12 months lang din yung shelf life niya, and yung parang meron siyang hole here for you to have an idea of how the pigment looks like. So dito sa kabila is parang bronzy, ayan, and dito naman is parang silver na may pagka-white, na may pagka-platinum, ayan. And then it says here that it is multi-purpose. Lahat ng products yata ng Dear Soft Beauty except dun sa clay brown nila is multi-purpose. That's really amazing, ah. And then multi-purpose glass skin finish. So kung glass skin finish, it has a dewy effect, hindi siya matte finish. And then shimmers in light. Oy, gusto ko to. Para medyo may natural glow, di ba? Yung kanilang Gleam creams is retailed for 239 pesos each, and sa 239 mo, you get na 3.5 grams of their product. So the lalagyan or itong packaging nila is also very compact, and it is really maliit lang siya. See? Hindi siya masyadong nagte-take up ng space if ever gusto mo siyang bilhin, and then hindi ka masyadong ma-pouch, yung hindi ka masyadong ma-pouch na tao. So it's really nice because it's slim lang siya and very compact and very, handy dandy. Now let's open it and see what's inside. Okay, so ayan. Hindi ko alam kung nakikita siya sa camera, but ayan siya, medyo white. Okay, so ito kasi yung parang highlighter nila. So ayan, like they said, ginagawa ko yung kanilang pa-round motion. Ayan, iswatch natin. Let's see. But ito yung swatch niya. Hala, sobrang kinangsis. Oh my gosh. Wait. So ilagay natin siya sa ating cheeks. Ang dami nung nalagay ko. Hala, bes. Nag-glow talaga siya, bes. Siyempre, lagyan din natin sa kabila. Ang ingay ng manok, pero lagyan din natin sa kabila. Ayan. Oh my God. Hala, naging blush na tuloy ito. Lagyan natin sa nose. Eto, sure ako makikita nyo talaga. Hala. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Look at that glass skin effect. Talagang nagre-reflect siya ng light, oh. Sis, if you're looking for a highlighter, I will suggest that you buy this one, the shade Naomi. Hindi natin matatry yung isa kasi maybe isasali natin yun sa ibibigay natin sa ating pag-giveaway. But then again, look at that. I really like the product. Nagmukha siyang glass skin kahit hindi naman tayo talaga clear skin. Ayan, ang ganda, sis. Eto naman, hindi to product ng Dear Soft Beauty, pero kasali to dun sa dito sa pouch nila. So this is the self-love sticker pack. Ayan, so tingnan natin kung anong mga designs ng stickers nila kasi hindi ko pa to nakikita actually. Ito yung unang design, which is parang babae na may nakalagay, be yourself for yourself. Ang cute. And then itong second na sticker is Self-Love Club. Ayan, parang siyang denim na jacket na may nakalagay na Self-Love Club. And then, etong pangatlo is Grow Until You Glow. Oh, eto bagay sa mga plantita. And then, third is Sunshine and Good Feelings. Para siyang cup na may rainbow, may sunflower, so it's really very aesthetic. And then third is This Human Can. Hello, nasa hair nung girl yung quote na This Human Can, which is really cute. And last but not the least is this one, Your Potential is Endless. Eto, sobrang nakaka-inspire. Ayan. Oh my God, so ang cute ng mga stickers nila. And etong mga stickers na to is ididikit ko sa aking laptop. Ididikit natin siya sa laptop para meron tayong remembrance ng Years of Beauty and meron tayong remembrance ni Miss Ariel Hernandez. By the way, heads up ko lang kayo, do watch the series of videos I will be making because every video mahihintay ng mga ipapag-giveaway natin. Yes, I will be having a giveaway soonest, so please stay tuned. So, we're done doing our review /swatch /haul ng mga Years of Beauty products na meron tayo ngayon. Ayan, so if you're interested to buy their products, I will be linking them down below, their Instagram, Facebook, and their Shopee link. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please click the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you get the latest updates from my latest videos. That is all. See you in my next video. Bye!